Anybody got full mark? Because with if you could have cross
Yes,
check.
sir.
अच्छा
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
full मिला? Okay. Any of your friend gave neat paper yesterday? Anybody's friend they gave neat paper?
Yes, sir.
How was the paper? What they said? Easy, difficult?
So it was very easy.
I think it was easiest paper of the decade they had given. I'm just taking out PDF from my file and checking what we have done. Out of that, anything was asked or not, and discussing with you. एक मिनट रुको. A screw gauge has least count of 0.01 millimeter. I'm just writing on the screen. Let me see how many of you know. Those who have attended from beginning, they are knowing. This was sum number 146 there. Just send email ID, ID and password to Pranjali. She is telling it is invalid. Isha or Arya, please send it.
Yes, sir. So I have told that it is correct, but she is not able to join.
Acha. Maybe she might have typed something wrong. A screw gauge has least count of 0.01 millimeter. A screw gauge has 0.01 millimeter and number of circular scale division is 50. Find what is pitch. Avan, do you know this?
So not remembering.
No
So
problem. Isha,
P
say.
is equal to least count upon number of divisions.
हाँ अब कितना सिंपल है ये. Pitch is least count 0.01 upon number of circular division. So this will become 5 into 10 and or if you remove decimal first, 10 raised to minus 2 millimeter, 5 into 10 raised to 1, that will become 0. हेलो हेलो. हाँ वो तो जो भेजा है वो इनकरेक्ट नहीं है, करेक्ट ही है. सब तो ज्वाइंट हो गए, खाली आपका ही प्रॉब्लम है. फिर से एक बार पूरा बंद करके चालू करो क्योंकि बाकी लोग तो ज्वाइंट हो गए. फिर आपके इधर से कुछ एरर होगा. आप कौन सा पहले का कुछ पासवर्ड तो नहीं ज्वाइन कर रहे? मैं फिर से एक बार रिसेंड करता हूँ. हाँ एक बार फिर से रिसेंड करता हूँ क्योंकि सब लोग आ गए, खाली आपका ही प्रॉब्लम है. रिसेंड करता हूँ, रुको. This formula, those who said it is wrong formula. फिर से देखता हूँ किसको किसको आता है फिर से
Oh,
formula.
it will be multiplication now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एक मिनट. Karan, you are knowing this formula? Karan Vora?
Sir,
अब
I have to revise.
ओके, ऑनेस्टली बोला आपने, बराबर है, चलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. देखो मैं बता देता हूँ. पिच मीन्स number of distance covered upon number of rotation. distance covered upon number of rotation is called pitch, and least count is called as pitch upon circular scale division. So therefore pitch is least count 0.01
into 50.
and circular scale division 50. So this will become 50 after 2 digit decimal. हो गया ये pitch का. इतना इजी पूछा था. बट एज यू सेड आपको याद नहीं है, तो उनको भी शायद याद नहीं होगा. बट इज इट डिफिकल्ट पूछा है क्या रॉकेट साइंसेस में?
नहीं सर.
No, sir.
मतलब जब भी मैं पेपर में बाई चांस ये इंक्लूड कर लिया तो 2-3 बार में आपको याद हो जाएगा ना. नेक्स्ट देखता हूँ क्या है. मतलब आपको 4 मार्क मिल गया जो मेडिकल वाले. एक सेकेंड और एक दो डिस्कस करते हैं जस्ट टू बूस्ट अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस कि पेपर इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. What is torque formula? बोला है find the torque.
Force into
Force
distance.
into length.
ऐसे ही करते हैं.
Perpendicular distance.
Find the torque about the origin when force is 3j cap Newton acting on a particle whose position vector is 2k cap meter. What is formula for torque? R bar cross F bar है ना.
Yes sir.
So 2k cap cross 3j cap. What is 2 into 3? 6. I cap, j cap, k cap. What is k cross j?
Minus I.
माइनस आई. ये आंसर है. न्यूटन मीटर. डिफिकल्ट है. इससे कितना डिफिकल्ट पेपर में देता हूं आपको. सो 2 चैप्टर्स, एक मेजरमेंट और ये स्केलर्स वेक्टर का आया. अभी जस्ट आई एम चेकिंग वेदर काइनेमेटिक्स का क्या पूछा है. डायमेंशन ऑफ स्ट्रेस पूछा है. किसको आता है डायमेंशन ऑफ स्ट्रेस?
Force upon area.
सुपर.
Force upon area.
बस बस बस. देखो अभी कितना इजी पूछा है. फोर्स अपॉन एरिया. Taking into account significant figure, what is the value of 9.99 meter minus 0.00 0.0099 meter? Please try this. Options are, ये options है. All of you try.
So option D.
Option
And D, sir.
1 2 3 4 में कौन सा?
4.
4.
Sir, option B.
ये सेकंड ना.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर ऑप्शन 2.
हाँ तो
Yes,
लास्ट
sir.
वाला कैसा बोल रहे हैं आप लोग? ऑप्शन ये अब क्या रहता है? ये 3 डेसिमल है, 2 डेसिमल, ये 4 डेसिमल. आंसर मस्ट बी लीस्ट डेसिमल. एक ही दिख रहा है ना, उन्होंने तो कैलकुलेट आउट. मतलब ये तो मुझे ना सीईटी से भी वर्स्ट पेपर दिया ऐसा लग रहा है. अभी काइनेमेटिक्स का एक दिया है, वो आपको करना है. अ बॉल इज थ्रोन vertically downwards. Everybody has to try, huh? With velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a tower. It hits the ground after some time with velocity of 80 meter per second. The height of tower is G is given 10 and options are 360 meter, 340 meter, 360 meter, 340 meter, 320 meter and 300 meter. Try. मतलब दो मेजरमेंट का हो गया, इनफैक्ट तीन मेजरमेंट का हो गया और एक स्केलर्स वेक्टर और ये काइनेमेटिक्स है। सो 3 + 4 5 सम देखो आपके सामने है। A ball is thrown vertically downward with velocity 20 from top, hits the ground after some time with velocity 80. What is height of the tower?
Sir, 300.
300.
Yes,
4.
sir.
300?
Yeah.
Okay. चेक करता हूँ देख, इसमें क्या है, v square equal to u square plus 2s है ना, आपने ये यूज किया, यही फॉर्मूला v square equal to u square plus 2.
Yes, sir.
v means final velocity, that is given 80. Initial velocity is 20 plus 2. G is downward, so minus 10. H is downward, therefore minus h. This is 6400 equals to 400 plus 20h. 6400 minus 400 is 6000 upon 20. परफेक्ट आंसर बोला आपने 30. कितना टाइम लगा आपको ये आंसर बताने के लिए? हार्डली 30 सेकेंड भी नहीं यूज किया ना आपने. So that's why I'm telling you are on the right track, in right hand. Just do whatever I say properly. इतना क्वेश्चन था, और एक क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैंने अभी तक उतना बताया नहीं है. पुली वाला सम है, तो एक डायग्राम बना देता हूँ. एक्चुअली इट इज फ्रॉम लॉ ऑफ मोशन. अभी तक मैंने वो टाइप का इतना ज्यादा नहीं करा है, सो आई स्किप दैट, बट स्टिल आई एम ड्राइंग जस्ट टू चेक वेदर यू कैन मैनेज और नॉट. एक सेकेंड, पुली वाला सम था. Two bodies of 4 kg, 6 kg are used as are tied to the end of massless string. String passes over pulley which is frictionless. Acceleration of system in terms of gravity. Acceleration of system. Your common sense must say कि ये वजन ज्यादा है, मतलब बॉडी ऐसा गिरने वाला है नीचे, है ना. अभी इसका अगर मोशन कंसिडर करो तो दिस इज टेंशन अपवर्ड, इसका वजन 4g नीचे and it is moving up. So upward force must be greater, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Upward force मतलब वो टेंशन T minus 4g, उसका मास into acceleration 4a. अभी फॉर सेकेंड बॉडी ये टेंशन, ये उसका वजन 6g but coming down, so it will be 6g minus tension is 6a. So if I add, this will get cancelled. Minus 4g plus 6g is 2g equals to 10a. 2 into 5, g upon 5 is acceleration. कितना इजी है ना.
Yes, sir.
So whatever chapter we have done so far, उसमें से see how many question came. Nearly 6 question, and all you were able to attempt. So please work very hard, properly. If you are lucky enough, I think this type of paper is not luck factor, because those who have already studied so much, they will not enjoy doing such type of paper. तो ऐसा आ गया मतलब एक भी wrong नहीं जाना चाहिए, because almost सबका right जाएगा. So this year I feel there will be tough task to get admission in medical. So planner we are writing. Pranjali, how you got now? Proper connections? Pranjali?
Sir, my device was not
अच्छा हाँ चलो ठीक है कोई बात.
connected with other device.
Don't worry चलो. Right, Mondays planner write down properly. Please stick to the planner. Next lecture even JEE क्या आया था मैं check करके आपको बताऊं. Planner write down. Please stick to that planner again. I am requesting you all. Till 150 I think I discussed in kinematics. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Till
sir.
150 we have discussed now this one.
हाँ.
So this is 151 to 160. खाली 10 दे रहा हूं. And today's work and till 160. Tuesday 161 200 तक कर दो आप, क्योंकि मुझे अभी लॉ ऑफ मोशन पे बहुत हाथ बिठाना है आपका. And here 230 तक है टोटल सम शायद. So 201 to 220, because that day's work also you have to do, no? And Wednesday's work. So only 10 MCQ till 210 and Wednesday's work. Thursday 210 to 230, that is last sum of kinematics. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday you will do whatever I have explained, whatever taught in class, because maximum MCQ करने वाला होगा. Whatever taught in class. And Saturday prepare for Sunday's test. Sunday test will be on measurement, plus scalars vector, plus kinematics, all the 3 combo. और अभी बता नहीं रहा हूं किधर से आएगा. Measurement, scalars vectors, kinematics, all. Measurement, scalars vector, kinematics. Written everything? Then I'm starting with the topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. स्टार्ट करता हूँ. फर्स्ट 150 से 160 वाइंड अप कर देता हूँ MCQs. Then I will start with law of motion वाला part. 151 to 160. Let us clear that first. 151, 152. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay. 153. 153 है ना?
Yes.
चलो 153. उसके बाद 154 वो भी है? 154 also you have doubt or you got? बोलो फटाफट बोलो. हेलो हेलो हेलो.
I got 154.
Tell the questions properly.
Sir, I got the answer for 154.
152.
4. 154.
I am asking those who have not got that one, that student, what answer you got. That no need to say. फटाफट बोलो. 151, 152, 153 चाहिए ना? उसके बाद कौन सा चाहिए?
No doubt.
हाँ,
No doubt.
अवन आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आपका. क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
Sir, only 153.
नहीं, आवाज बराबर नहीं है. क्या बोल रहे हैं कुछ समझ नहीं आया. सेंड ऑन व्हाट्सएप.
No doubt.
अच्छा, नो डाउट्स ओनली चलेगा, बेस्ट है. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है 154 शायद 153 कोई तो पूछा ना. 153, 154 आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. देन विल स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर. वैभव, हेलो वैभव.
Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट?
Sir, I had a doubt in 154.
154, fine. So 153, 154, then I will start with the chapter. One 153 and 154. 153's object moves at a constant speed along circular path in horizontal xy plane with certain center at the origin. When object is at x equal to -2, velocity is -4 j cap. What is the object's acceleration when it is at y equals to 2? So body is performing circular motion in xy plane. When the object is at x equals to -2, the object is on the circle at x equals to -2. Meter means left hand side. That time velocity is yes, -4 j cap. The acceleration when it is at y equals to 2. Y equal to 2 मतलब इधर ना, y equal to 2. Acceleration is always downward. So first magnitude wise acceleration in circular motion is v square by r, if you are remembering. R मतलब ये distance which is 2. V is 4 in magnitude. So 4 square 16 upon 2 8. Acceleration is acting on downward direction. So in vector form it is along -8 j cap. -8 j cap is option. Please write down if you have not understood. Then once you have done this, I am doing 154, then coming to Newton's law of motion, a law of motion wala chapter.
Done, sir.
154 अच्छा समय बहुत था 154 two paper screens A and B are separated by distance of 200 meters. These are two paper screen A and B separated by 200 meters. A bullet pierces A. Pierces मतलब इसको ऐसा होल कर दिया एक बुलेट ने. Pierces A and then pierces B also. But hole in B is 40 meter below the hole in A. 40 meter below. तो ये ऐसा पाथ ट्रेवल करके बुलेट इधर आया 40 meter below. A bullet is traveling horizontally at the time of hitting A. What is the velocity of bullet at A? Diagram followed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody has followed? Karan Vora, Anay, Goel,
Yes, sir.
Sitesh? Sitesh,
Yes, sir.
after the lecture you wait in the meeting. I want to discuss something with you. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
horizontal velocity ढूंढना है हम लोग को इसका. U along horizontal. How many motions you all can see? Tell without emotion. How many motion? Horizontal and vertical, isn't it?
So 2.
So for vertical motion, displacement formula is ut plus half at square. Displacement is 200. Velocity in horizontal direction, sorry, vertical we are talking. Vertical is 0. Time I don't know. Plus a is half a is minus 10 into t square. So 300 equals 2 because it is moving vertical है 440 40 था 40 downward so negative. So minus 40 equals to minus 2 10 t square 2 into 5 is 10 5 8s are 40 centimeter. So 40 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. फिर से एक बार वापस कर लो. Two paper screens A and B are 200 meter apart. A bullet pierces in A and in B, but hole in B is 40 centimeter below. That is nothing but 40 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Find what is this velocity. So I'm taking first vertical motion only because one quantity is 0, calculation will become easy. For vertical motion, S equals to ut plus half at square. This is nothing but minus of 40 into 10 raised to minus 2 because it is acting downward. Vertical velocity is 0 plus half minus g into t square. So minus of 40 into 10 raised to minus 2 will be minus half g minus cancel. 80 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon g equals to t square. We can leave this much. Or g, if I take 10, it will be 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now for horizontal motion, S is ut plus half at square. This is 200 meter. 200 meter. U we have to calculate. T is root of 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus half a is 0 t square. So this will vanish. Okay, just copy till you. That's okay.
Done, sir.
Then okay. I'm just clearing it out. Okay. Now I'm starting with the chapter law of motion. Next class, as per the planner given, we'll discuss the things. But see to it that you are doing everything perfectly. Sunday's test is measurement, scalars vector, kinematics together. So one section completes. Then we'll concentrate on law of motion. एक्चुअली आपका टेक्स्ट बुक ने 3-4 चैप्टर एक साथ कर दिया, मतलब लॉ ऑफ मोशन, वर्क पावर, एनर्जी, फ्रिक्शन, ये सब एक ही साथ कर दिया. So our next section will be this 3 chapter. Can anybody tell me what is coefficient of restitution? Coefficient of
Sir, it's the ratio of relative velocity of separation per relative.
ratio of height of image to the height of object is called as ratio of relative velocity of separation to the relative velocity of approach is called as coefficient of restitution. Clear? When a body is dropped from height h, it rebounds by small h, then E equals to root of h by capital H. Okay, this much we had done. In case of elastic collision, what is relative velocity of approach equal to? Dash equal to dash in case of elastic collision.
Relative velocity of separation is equal to relative velocity of approach.
Correct, barabar. What about kinetic energy? It is conserved or it gets changed?
Conserve.
Conserved. And in case of inelastic collision, kinetic initial kinetic is greater than final.
Final.
याद है?
Final.
अब इसका डिफरेंस क्या आया था, याद है क्या? m1 m2 u1 minus u2 square 2 times m1 plus m2. This we had got ना difference.
Yes, sir.
तो ये थोड़ा रिवाइज करके रखना. नेक्स्ट क्लास में पूरा मैं कोलिजन पे एमसीक्यू करूंगा. टुडे आई एम डूइंग पुली सिस्टम. हेडिंग राइट, पुली सिस्टम. पुली सिस्टम. Mass m1, mass m2 are suspended from two ends. m2 is greater than m1. I want acceleration and tension. Find acceleration and tension. Please draw the diagram. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, you will explain me. Please pay attention properly because not very difficult if you have understood the concept. Can you tell me motion will be clockwise or anti-clockwise first?
Clockwise, sir.
Clockwise.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because m2 का मास ज्यादा है ना, तो motion
Yes,
ऐसा
Yes, sir.
ये ऊपर जाएगा ना ऐसा.
हाँ सर.
अभी ये m1 पे क्या क्या फोर्स एक्ट होएगा? ये टेंशन अवे फ्रॉम द बॉडी P, इसका खुद का वजन m1g, दोनों मिलके इसको ऊपर लिफ्ट करेगा. सो अपवर्ड फोर्स इज मोर और डाउनवर्ड फोर्स इज मोर?
Upward, sir.
Forward force is more.
Upward is T minus m1g. This net force is mass of first one into acceleration of entire system. First equation clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये दोनों का difference is net force. Net force is mass into acceleration. For second body, again tension is away. M2g is downward. Now tell, downward is more or upward is more?
Downward.
Downward is more.
So M2g minus T, T equals to M2A. Yes, Vaishnavi, Nandani, you all have followed this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing is very difficult, as I said earlier also. Now if I add plus T and minus T will get cancelled. So you will get
Yes,
M2G minus M1G equals to M1A plus M2A. G common, M2 minus M1 equals to A, M1 plus M2. A, M1 plus M2. Therefore, A equals to G M2 minus M1 upon M1 plus M2. This is same as what they had asked na this time in the exam. खाली वैल्यू वाला था, मैंने M1 M2 बोला आपको.
Yes,
You
sir.
all have-
हाँ.
अभी एकदम शॉर्टकट बोलो ना, क्या ये नेट फोर्स अपॉन नेट मास. नेट मास कितना है? M1 प्लस M2 है ना.
Sir.
नेट फोर्स क्या है? ये देखो, इसको अगर मैं ऐसा ओपन कर दूं, ऐसा मतलब इसको एज्यूम करो ऐसा है वो, ये पुली और ये ऐसा है. तो इधर एक फोर्स है M2G, इधर एक फोर्स है M1G, ऐसा ओपन कर दिया अगर तो ये बड़ा है ना, तो ये लार्जर माइनस स्मॉलर मतलब क्या आएगा? M2G माइनस M1G, दैट इज नेट फोर्स. तो शॉर्टकट क्या है? ये नेट फोर्स अपॉन टोटल मास. After solving few sums, you will get idea. Shall I explain again or everybody has understood?
Sir, got sir, got.
Understood.
Okay, just copy till A.
Sir, done.
Fine.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, okay. Let everybody complete. Once you get A, then substituting in equation 1, you will get T. T I am not calculating. Remember that concept. Okay. Next one. This is one pulley, weightless, frictionless. Here mass is 5, 2 and 4 are tied together. Find what is acceleration. वे shortcut method से पूछता हूँ, खाली acceleration पूछा. Motion will be in clockwise or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. अभी shortcut method कर रहा हूँ. A is net force upon total mass.
Thank you.
What is total mass of system? 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी net force, ये downward force और अपवर्ड फोर्स का डिफरेंस इज नेट फोर्स.
Yes, sir.
डाउनवर्ड फोर्स मतलब 2 + 4 6g और नॉट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एंड अपवर्ड इज 5g ना.
Yes.
6/11 कितना शॉर्टकट हो गया. डाउनवर्ड फोर्स, अपवर्ड फोर्स, जिधर मोशन है वो बड़ा फोर्स. तो ये फोर्स डाउनवर्ड वाला 6g और इसका अपवर्ड फोर्स मतलब एक्चुअली डाउनवर्ड ही है बट डिफरेंस यू हैव टू टेक दोनों. तो 6g - 5g इज माय नेट फोर्स. ये शॉर्टकट भी अगर याद रहेगा तो यू कैन डू फास्ट. प्लीज सॉल्व दिस मच.
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. This is 1. And here we have 3. Mass 1 and mass 3. Find acceleration. I'm waiting for you all. Complete and tell me the answer. Let me see how many of you are able to tell correct answer.
So it is G upon 2.
Correct.
G
Correct.
by 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
G by 2.
Yes, sir. G
Yes,
by
sir.
Correct. 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 तो अभी नहीं सॉल्व करूँ चलेगा ना ये.
हाँ
हाँ,
सर
sir.
समझ गए.
Okay. This way body is moving. Find acceleration of the system. चलो ये वाला ट्राई करो. Take 2 minutes, then I will do.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, is it 2G by 3?
No, G by 6. G/6 है.
Okay.
चलेगा बिंदास, बाकी लोग को करने दो, मैं बताता हूँ ना आपका रॉन किधर गया है. Anybody got anything? Don't be worried about answer. Apply your brain. Let it be wrong. खुद सोचेंगे तभी तो सब परफेक्ट जाएगा. नहीं?
Sir, yes, I understood. I understood my mistake.
अच्छा. राजवर्धन. राजवर्धन, संदेश, आर्यन बागवे.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please keep on asking or don't keep silent. Your doubt may not be others' doubt.
Yes.
चलो, किसको आया G/6? आर्या, ईशा, नेहा, प्रांजलि.
No, sir, I'm getting 2G/3.
Okay.
Yes, sir, same.
Okay. All of
Yes,
you
sir.
stop now. अवन, आपको क्या मिला बेटा?
अच्छा मुझे जी मिल रहा था.
जी, रुक जाओ फिर. रुक जाओ. See, first body, if I consider this, इसका weight is 1G acting downward, tension will be acting upward. So can I say for this 1G minus tension is इसका mass into acceleration, that means 1 into A. Any doubt? First equation?
No sir.
No. Second, no doubt, huh? 1 is downward, 1G मतलब उसका वजन, टेंशन ऊपर, डिफरेंस मिला के नीचे आना चाहिए, तो डाउनवर्ड फोर्स इज मोर. अभी फॉर दिस बॉडी टेंशन इज अवे फ्रॉम बॉडी, सो इसमें तो कुछ नहीं, खाली टेंशन ही है. टेंशन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. नाउ इफ आई ऐड pt cancel, 1G is 6A, G/6 is A. कैसा आपको रॉन्ग आ रहा था? देख लो अभी मिस्टेक.
Sir,
समझ गया?
हाँ वो, हाँ सर, वो
आप
डायरेक्ट
लोग-
मेथड से किया तो 2/3 आता था.
नहीं, डायरेक्ट मेथड भी आपको समझाता हूँ. डायरेक्ट मेथड मतलब अभी ऐसा है ना, ये बॉडी उसके साथ ये बॉडी, दोनों का एक ही डायरेक्शन में ना मोशन,
हाँ सर.
तो इसका नेट फोर्स कौन सा है? एक ही ना, 1G खाली,
हाँ.
वही है ना. तो इसका तो हो गया नेट फोर्स 1G, नेट मास 6, वही आ गया. देखो
हाँ सर मैंने ऐड कर दिया इसलिए जी
हाँ
आ रहा
सर, हाँ वो,
इसका पुलिंग फोर्स खाली यही है ना, 1G.
हाँ सर, मैंने वो दोनों लिया इसके लिए.
ओके ओके, चलो चलेगा. मिस्टेक रेक्टिफाई करते जाओ ना, खत्म. और
यस
क्या
सर, यस सर, हो गया.
हो गया. अभी एक थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, देखते हैं आपको जमेगा. मैं समझाता हूँ. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, ज्यादा है. There is one pulley fixed at one end. इसको एक मास टाइड है 5 kg का. फिर ये पुली, सबसे थ्रेड, इधर दूसरा पुली, दोनों फिक्स्ड है पुलीज, फिक्स्ड पुलीज. इधर एक वेट है 2 kg वाला. फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ सिस्टम. Find acceleration of system. I'm starting with this. What are the forces acting on 2G? इसका खुद का वजन 2G डाउनवर्ड, टेंशन
टेंशन, यस.
थ्रू आउट सेम थ्रेड है ना ये.
हाँ सर.
ये ना ऐसे ही जाके सेंटर इधर अटैच है ये, तो सेम थ्रेड में मतलब हर जगह पे टी लेना पड़ेगा. अलग थ्रेड हो गया तो T1 T2 ऐसा नाम है. एंड दिस इज मूविंग डाउनवर्ड. So can I say downward force is 2G, upward force is T, is mass 2 into acceleration है. Any doubt?
नो सर.
अभी इसके लिए ये थ्रेड है ना ऐसा, ये इधर T एक्ट हो रहा है ना ऐसा अवे,
हाँ सर.
तो T इक्वल टू 5A हो गया ना, खत्म. दिखने के लिए डेंजरस लग रहा है क्या? कुछ नहीं. Now if I add, this will get cancelled. So 2G is 7A. Therefore 2G upon 7 equal to A. हो गया आंसर. 2g upon 7. Here also if you see shortcut, net force acting full body में एक ही है ना, downward 2g,
Downward,
total
yeah,
mass
2G.
is 7. हो गया फिर.
Done, sir.
अभी ये फिक्स पूरे ऐसा मूवेबल भी होता है, बट आज नहीं करूंगा, ऊपर पे जाएगा. थोड़ा थियरी करता हूँ अभी आपके लिए. Once entire kinematics का explanation gets completed, then law of motion पे we can do some difficult questions. So last class we did till last class in collision part. What is collision? It is force exerted by one body on the other is called collision. There are two types of collision, elastic, inelastic. In elastic collision, momentum and kinetic energy both are conserved. In case of inelastic, momentum is conserved, kinetic energy is not conserved. Then coefficient of restitution is ratio of relative velocity of separation to the relative velocity of approach. Then for perfectly inelastic collision, E is 1, and for elastic we got E as, for inelastic, elastic we got 1, inelastic we got 0. Then we said nature में nobody is perfect, so E is slightly less than 1 and slightly greater than 1. फिर एक फॉर्मूला किया था h upon h1, इतना किया है, बराबर.
Yes, sir.
इसके आगे थोड़ा सा प्रोसीड करता हूं. Write down question. I'm writing on the board, the screen. 1, one marble collides head on. One marble collides head on with another identical marble at rest. If the collision is partially inelastic, not perfectly, partially बोला है, partially inelastic, determine the ratio of their final velocities in terms of coefficient of restitution E. Right, the question. Very good, Sam. One marble has head-on collision with another identical marble but at rest. If collision is partially inelastic, not perfectly, determine the ratio of final velocity in terms of coefficient of restitution. Once you have written the question, then tell me, I will explain you from the beginning.
Written, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. कि कोई भी collision में क्या चीज conserved है? First, can you tell me that? Any type of collision? What is
Momentum.
momentum?
Momentum.
So always first start with that. So whether it is elastic, inelastic, perfect, not perfect, but all collision obeys law of conservation. So according to conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Correct, na? Initial momentum equals to final momentum.
Yes, sir.
But masses are identical, so m1 is m2. Also second body is at rest, मतलब u2 is 0. ऐसा बोला है ना सब में? One marble collides with another
हाँ,
identical marble, so masses is same, and second is at rest, so u2 0. So I can write m1 u1 plus mass is same m1 into 0 is m1 v1 plus m1 v2. Throughout m1 m1 cancel, so we get u1 equals to v1 plus v2. Let this be equation 1. Please copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait a minute.
Wait.
Done, sir.
Okay. So you got one equation, v1 plus v2 is u1. What is definition of coefficient of restitution?
It's the ratio of relative velocity of separation upon velocity of
Correct.
approach.
Correct. So coefficient of restitution denoted by E equals to relative velocity of separation, that is v2 minus v1 upon u1 minus u2. बराबर ना? Because u1 बड़ा है इसलिए u1 minus u2 टकराने के बाद v2 बड़ा होगा v2 minus v1. ये फॉर्मूला है. Relative velocity of separation upon approach. v2 I don't know, v1 I don't know, u2 I know it is 0. Okay. Bro?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you say therefore v2 u1 cross multiply कर रहा हूँ, e times u1 is v2 minus v1. Let this be equation 2. Now dividing equation 1 by 2, we get equation 1 had u1, this is e times u1, so u1 upon e times u1, v1 plus v2 upon v2 minus v1. This I can cancel. So 1 upon e equals to V1 plus V2 upon V2 minus V1. Just copy this. Now I have to simplify to get V1 upon V2. Ratio of final velocities in terms of coefficient of restitution.
Done, sir.
Okay, अब इसका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. This will be V2 minus V1 is E times V1 plus E times V2. Therefore, all V1 take together, V2 minus EV2 is EV1 plus V1. V2 in bracket 1 minus E is V1 1 plus E. So V1 upon V2 equals to 1 minus E upon 1 plus E. This they have asked even in MCQs in option form. So V1 upon V2 is 1 minus E upon 1 plus E.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done? इसका एक shortcut calculation दिखाता हूँ इसलिए. Can I clear it out?
Yes, sir.
See, if we got V1 plus V2, I am writing V2 plus V1 upon V2 minus V1 is 1 upon E. Have you heard like this? If A upon B, C plus
And do
C.
dividendo.
We can do componendo and dividendo. A plus B upon A minus B, C plus D upon C minus D. Have you heard this? Componendo and dividendo.
Yes, sir.
So if I do here, it will be
Yes,
1
sir.
plus E upon 1 minus E. इसको करेंगे तो ये 2 times V2 upon 2 times V1 होएगा. तो कैंसिल होएगा, फिर रेसिप्रोकल कर दो ना, फटाफट आंसर आ जाएगा. This is how you can save the steps. नहीं क्लिक होता है, जाने तो आगे जाते हैं. मतलब क्या किया मैंने, देखो जब भी ऐसा दिखा ना, ऊपर प्लस नीचे माइनस, सेम सेम टर्म. So when you add numerator, what you will get? V2 plus V1 plus V2 minus V1. तो ये कैंसिल होके 2V2 आ गया ना. अब डिनोमिनेटर V2 plus V1 minus V2 plus V1, ये कैंसिल होके 2V1 आ गया. So जिसको ऐसा आता है मैथ्स, they can avoid the calculation part. Next one.
So what was the last statement?
Last statement.
Yes, so that V1 by V2.
V1 upon V2 is 1 minus E upon 1 plus E.
Okay, so thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, so far we did some where bodies were moving in a straight line. ऐसा बोला था ना, traveling in a straight line. मतलब ये एक ही direction में ऐसा बोला था, along straight line. U1 greater than U2. याद है ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
But it is not necessary कि हर बार straight ही line में रहेगा. It can also be that एक body ऐसा जा रहा है, दूसरा ऐसा आ रहा है ना. So not in straight line, same path. Center to center, they are in a straight line. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So far what we did, both the body A and B are along same straight line such that U1 greater than U2. It can also happen that U1 का velocity ऐसा and u2 का velocity है दूसरा particle in this direction. That means they are not in one line. These are also possibilities. Are you getting me what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So if they are not in one line, then we have to take component. एक horizontal, एक vertical. एक horizontal, एक vertical. तो horizontal एक line में हो गया क्या नहीं?
No, sir.
And vertical एक line में हो जाएगा क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So based on this type also collision can come in entrance. This we'll be doing in the next class. So next class, please stick to your planner, because after completing planner, I will do this chapter ahead area of that. Once we have completed full kinematics, then law of motion ka only MCQs I will be doing. Now those who have joined late, again this week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you will have extra lecture. Last class I explained you 1 to 72 तक का measurement वाला. Reverse I went, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So now for you all, आगे वाला भी sums आप करते जाओ. Doubts I will explain, and then I will start scalars vector for you all. This week I will take scalars vector, scalars vector, scalars vector. MCQs or measurement. I will keep on sending you the solutions daily 10, 10, 10. You start doing that, so that at least by September end, everybody is at one level. So today we stop here. New topic मुझे start करना था, inclined वाला time कम है, तो इसलिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. So that's all for today. Today evening I will send you your पिछला वाला paper and tomorrow's paper also. Mistake rectify. Coming test again it will be easy. Whenever it is mixed chapter, it is always easy, because difficulty level